let's talk about journaling. And no, not the Dear Diary, I saw my crush today kind from middle school. Trust me, journaling has come a long way since those days, and it might just be the self-care habit you never knew you needed. Think about it. We all have those nights when our minds are racing with a million thoughts. You know, when you're lying in bed making mental lists of everything from work projects to whether you remembered to buy cat food. That's where journaling comes in clutch. And let's talk about feelings for a sec. We all have them. Yes, even that friend who claims they're totally chill all the time. Writing about your emotions isn't just therapeutic, it helps you understand yourself better. Instead of letting frustrations simmer until you snap at your roommate for leaving dishes in the sink again, you can process those feelings on paper first. Plus, it's a great way to keep those creative muscles flexed, whether you're doodling in the margins, or writing the next great American novel, or just making really detailed to-do lists. Use that fancy leather-bound journal your aunt got you 3 Christmases ago, or grab that half-used notebook from college, whatever works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more self-improvement content. And let's reach for that extra % every day.